of the topics that is interesting for us, we make some researches on this topic. It's about national identity. Each one of us as a personality is very precious for God. Our question is, if God is interested only in personalities, or also He's interested in large families like nations. If God has a calling only for each particular man or woman, or perhaps He has particular calling for particular nations. That is why He gives special gifts to each nation, a special point of view or understanding of the world. And if so, then each nation can bless other nations with their own understanding, what other nations would not understand. It's written in the New Testament, there is no more Jew, no more Gentile. To my opinion, it says there mustn't be any competition between man and woman, between Japanese and Korean, Gentile and Jew. God loves each one of us independently on our nation, if I'm a man or I'm a woman. But the book of Revelation says that when people would come to the heavenly Jerusalem, they will bring all the glory and honor of their nations. It means that each nation has its own glory, and God glorifies this particular nation with a particular glory. So our task as a nation to take this glory and to bring it as a crown to God. And my personal opinion is that we need to be a blessing for other nations. When we bring to God our national culture, our national traditions, our national features, and we make richer the whole body of the Messiah.
My name is Yurika, and I'm from Japan, and I'm 18 years old. This is called shamisen, and this is a traditional Japanese musical instrument.
Also, in general, in Japan, in the churches, in the congregations, how often do other people use folk Japanese instruments in worship?
Usually they don't use it because they cannot play the instrument also. Yes, because they're Christians, so they actually became American. So they doesn't care about Japanese traditional and things. So that's a sad thing. But so that I wanted to use a Japanese traditional instrument to worship. So I started learning it. Most of church sings kind of American style, but in my church, my father makes a song a lot, and he composed like a Japanese style. We sang that song in other church, and other church was surprised. What are you doing like that? Because of the Japanese style. So it's hard to do Japanese style music in church, but we do it.
But when you wear kimono, what do you feel?
To be honest, it's not comfortable for the physically, but in my heart, I feel like I'm Japanese.
It's like a bunch of flowers. Each flower is unique. Each flower has its own fragrance, smell. Or if we turn to the symbolism of the Feast of Sukkot, Feast of Tabernacles, we need to build a tabernacle of different kinds of trees, and each tree has its own feature, its own type of leaves, its smell. As Paul said, when you come together, some of you have psalms, somebody has a prayer, so we can bless each other, and thus we can have fullness. And also, I understand that when we wear our fall clothes, it also says the same. When we bring our national style before the Lord, and in this sense, each one brings his or her own psalm before the Lord. A new perspective, a new national folk way of worship.